you.
What?
Happy.
Happy birthday. How old am I?
Happy.
What did I get?
Happy.
A pogo stick! Alright y'all, it's my birthday today. Welcome back to the channel, and you know that I'm 35 because when you ask for birthday stuff and you get weird stuff like this amazing pro plugger. It's an adult pogo stick according to my wife, but really it's just the awesomest freaking thing. I didn't use pre-emergence if this is the first time you've been here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go and find some weeds, like the broadleaf weeds. We're not gonna be able to take care of like clover or wild violet that I have right now. Probably have to treat that chemically. It's a little more, it spreads. So we're gonna go with the things and I'll show you how this thing works. Let's get to it. So I've got all sorts of weeds out here. You can see all the yellow guys. Sizes, so you can do a 2-inch, a 4-inch, and then the whole tube right here is 6 inches, and this is tapered. So this is a skinny section and it gets wider as it goes down. And the rest of the tube stores the plugs you'll take. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go around and I'm gonna take care of these dandelions and we'll store them up and then we'll take them to the garden. And I've got some bluegrass over there that I haven't ripped out yet for the garden, and we'll use that for the plugger. All right, so you do stick the bottom of this right over top of the weed. Step down, and then you twist. And we have a hole here, a 6-inch hole. And you have your weed. Fire in the hole. Let's go around the whole yard and get rid of these dandelions, and then we'll go over and plug. So we'll time lapse. Go. All right, so it's pretty easy. I took, I don't know, 6 cores maybe. I think the shorter you go, the more cores you can store in the tube. Sorry for the mess over here, but let's get some of that bluegrass and we'll be good to go. Start replacing those cores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. So we got our good cores, and we will go and fill the weed holes back in. All right, there's a good core, some grass on it. Just shove it back in the hole that you took out, and you're good to go. All right, so the Pro Plugger has a very easy system to change the depth of your plugs. So this is the standard, it's 6 inches right here, and it comes with 2 O-rings that are going to slide down the taper. So this is the 4-inch right here. And this is the 2-inch. So if you needed to take a 2-inch plug, a 4-inch plug, or a 6-inch plug, you can change it out pretty easily. Now, it's kind of weird that you have this washer system where you're going to keep these and not lose them. So I just take the little Velcro that came with it and I loop it on a shelf nearby where I store my garden stuff, and I know what it's for. So I don't lose them and they're not floating around the garage somewhere in the basement. And yeah. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and pogo stick my entire yard before the rain comes. So I got some drone footage I'm gonna throw in here too. I got a rainbow last night that's pretty sick. So let's throw out some drone footage and yep. right, so my wife got this on Amazon for my birthday. You can get it in other stores. It's about $40, somewhere around there, give or take. And it is the coolest tool ever. My wife thought it was ridiculous. Like I said, she thought that it was basically an adult pogo stick, which it's not. It's an awesome weed removal tool where you can take good grass and transplant it to bare areas like your Kentucky bluegrass, or if you have warm season grasses like Bermuda, you can take a good plug and put it in a bare area and it'll start spreading. And you could do this with even your fescues and your rye, but they don't spread as much. They have no rhizomes and stolons really for the most part. So this thing is awesome. If you've been holding off, I'll put a link down below where you can get it on Amazon. So this is all for me. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys on the next one. If you enjoyed the video, like, and I would love for you to stick around, so hit subscribe. Peace.